Hi, in this video, we are breaking down linear equations step by step, including how to solve linear equations with fractions. If you are preparing for exam, this video will be a great help. Watch till the end, and if you find this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more math help video. Let's dive into it. A linear equation is a type of equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. The general form of a linear equation is given as ax plus b equal to 0. If we name here equation 1, now from equation 1, a linear equation consists of a variable, which here is x. A variable is the unknown value that is represented by a letter. Now we also have a and b, and a and b are constants, so b here is a constant. A constant is a fixed number that can either be 1, 2, 3, and so on. Also, if you watch, a is a constant, but a is known as the coefficient of the variable s. And lastly, a linear equation also contains an operator. Here is an operator. The operator is a symbol that represents the operation. We are using the operator of addition because we are saying that ax plus b is equal to 0. Now, looking at this equation, if we consider this example, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So, if we compare this equation with equation 1, we can observe that 2 is the coefficient, x here is the variable, and 3 is the constant. Now, let's dive into some solutions of linear equations. So, question 1 says, solve the following linear equations: 2x plus 3 equal to 11, 4s plus 3 equal to 3s plus 12. Now, let's obtain the solution of the linear equation. I said we have 2x plus 3 equal to 11. Now the aim is to obtain the value of x, because in an equation, what is at the left hand side is equal to what is at the right hand side. So from this point is to subtract both sides of the equation by 3. So we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 equal to 11 minus 3. Now, note that any operation you carried out in the left hand side should also be carried out at the right hand side. So from here, we know that plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, so they will cancel out. So we have 2x equal to 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Now we divide the equation by 2 to make s the subject of the formula. So 2 here can cancel out 2 here. So we obtain x equal to, also if 2 cancel itself, we have 1. If 8 is divided by 2, we have 4. So therefore s is equal to 4. Now let's check if our solution is correct. So the question given to us was 2x plus 3 equal to 11. Now we have obtained that s is equal to 4. So we have that 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 is equal to 11. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Thus, our solution is correct because the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now, question 2 says that 4x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 12. Now, at this point, we can observe that we have 4x at the left hand side and we have 3x at the right hand side. We collect left terms, so the equation becomes 4x. When 3x crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 3x. So we have negative 3x equal to, we have 12. When plus 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 3. So we have minus 3. So 4s minus 3s is equal to x equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 9. If we check also, we see that 4 open bracket 9 plus 3 is equal to 3 open bracket 9 plus 12. So 4 times 9 is equal to 36 plus 3, and 3 times 9 is equal to 27 plus 12. So 36 plus 3 is equal to 39, and 27 plus 12 is equal to 39. So therefore, our left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thus, s is equal to 9. Now, question 2 says, solve the following equation. 3 open bracket x minus 2 equal to 4 open your bracket 2x minus 5. Now, question 1 says 3 multiplied by x minus 2 equal to 4 multiplied by 2x minus 5. Now, the first thing we do is that we expand our bracket both in left hand side and in the right hand side. So we have here that 3 times s is 3x, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, equal to 4 times 2s is 8x, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Again, we have 3x here and we have 8x here. So we will collect like terms. We have that the equation becomes 3x. When 8s crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 8s equal to negative 20. Now, when negative 6 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 6. So 3x minus 8s is giving us minus 5x equal to minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14. Now, to get rid of the negative sign, we divide both sides by negative 5 and negative 5. So minus, we cancel out minus. 5 divided itself is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we have x equal to, here also, minus, we cancel out minus, and 14 divided by 5 is giving us 2 whole number, 4 divided by 5 in mixed fraction. And also question 2 says 2 multiplied by 3s minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 4x plus 7. So we have it that 2 multiplied by 3x minus 4 plus 5 equal to 4x plus 7. Now, considering the order of BODMAS, the first thing we do is to expand our bracket. So we use 2 to open up the bracket. So we have 2 times 3s is 6x minus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 5 equal to 4x plus 7. Now at this point also we have 6s and we have 4s, and we have constant terms which are 8, 5 and 7. Now we can collect like terms. So 4s will cross the equality sign and it becomes negative 4s. So our equation becomes 6x minus 4x equal to 7 plus 8 minus 5. Because when the 8 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 8. And when 5 crosses the sign, it becomes negative 5. Now 6s minus 4s is equal to 2x. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. First, to obtain the value of x, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of s, which is equal to 2. So 2 can cancel out 2. We have that x is equal to 2 divided itself is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So therefore s is equal to 5. I believe thus far you have found value in this video. Please don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. Let's solve the next question. Now question 3 says 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 4 plus 2x. And 3 I said 3s minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus x equal to 12 minus 3x. Now let's obtain the value of x. So question 3i says 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 4 plus 2s. First, we will use our constant term 5 to open up the bracket in the left hand side. So we have that 5 times 2s is 10x. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Also, we open up the bracket in our right hand side. So we have that 3 times s is 3s. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2x. At this point, we have 10x, 3x, and 2s. We can collect like terms. So the equation becomes 10x. When 3s crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 3s. Also, when 2s crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2s. So we have 12. And when negative 5 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 5. So from here, we have that 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x, and 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x, equal to 12 plus 5 is given us 17. So to obtain the value of s, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of s, which is equal to 5. First, we have that 5 divided itself is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we have x equal to 17 divided by 5 is 3 whole number 2 divided by 5. Now, question 3ii says 3x minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus s is equal to 12 minus 3s. So we have that 3x minus 2 multiplied by 4 minus x equal to 12 minus 3x. Now, pause the video and try to solve it if you can obtain the value of x. Okay, welcome back. Now we have it that 3x minus 2 times 4 minus s is equal to 2f minus 3s. Now the first thing we do here also is to open up our bracket. So the equation becomes 3x minus 2 times 4 is minus 8, and minus 2 times minus s is plus 2x equal to 12 minus 3s. Now for my equation, we have 3x and 2x, and also we have minus 3s. So we can collect like terms. So if we do, we have 3x plus 2x. When minus 3s crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 3x equal to 12. When negative 8 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 8. So 3x plus 2s is 5x. 5s plus 3s is 8x equal to 12 plus 8 is giving us 20. So to obtain the value of x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 8. So 8 can cancel out 8. So we have that x is equal to 20 divided by 8 is 2 whole number, 4 divided by 8. If you know you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more math videos. Now let us consider linear equations with fractions. We are given to solve the following equation: a x divided by 2 plus 3 equal to 7, b 3 divided by 4 plus y equal to 4 divided by 1 minus 3y. Number c says 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 3x minus 1 divided by 4 equal to 1. And d says 2x plus 5 divided by x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 3. Now let's take it one after the other. Solution. A says x divided by 2 plus 3 equal to 7. To obtain the value of s, we have to subtract 3 from both sides. So the equation becomes x divided by 2 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3. At this point, we have that plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel out. So we have that x divided by 2 is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. So from here, we can cross multiply or multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So we can have that x is equal to 4 times 2. So x is equal to 8. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 8. Now let's check if our solution is correct. So we have that x divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. And we are given that s is equal to 8. So we have 8 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and at the right hand side we have 7. Thus 7 is equal to 7. Now b says that 3 divided by 4 plus y is equal to 4 divided by 1 minus 3y. Now at this point we cross multiply. So we have that 3 we multiply by this denominator, and 4 we multiply by this denominator. So therefore, the equation becomes 3 multiplied by 1 minus 3y equal to 4 multiplied by 4 plus y. Now we have to open up our bracket to simplify our equation. So we have that 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 3y is negative 9y equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times y is plus 4y. Now we can collect like terms. We have that minus 9y. Now when 4 crosses over the equality sign, it becomes minus 4y equal to 16 minus 3. Minus 9y minus 4y is equal to minus 13y equal to 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. So to obtain the value of y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is negative 13 and negative 13. So negative 13 cancel out negative 13. So y is equal to negative 1. Now let us check if our solution is correct. So we have that 3 divided by 4 plus y is equal to 4 divided by 1 minus 3y. Now we have obtained that y is equal to minus 1. So we have that 3 divided by 4 plus minus 1 equal to 4 divided by 1 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. So at this point, we have that this becomes 3 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 equal to 4 divided by minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have that 3 divided by 3 is giving us 1 equal to 4 divided by 4 is giving us 1. Thus, our equation is equal, hence y is equal to negative 1. Now let's obtain the solution for question C. C says that 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 3x minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now, when you have an equation like this, the first thing you do is to look out for the LCM of the denominators. So we have that the LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So we multiply both sides by the LCM. So we have that this becomes 12 multiplied by 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 12 multiplied by 3x minus 1 divided by 4 equal to 12 times 1. Now we have that if 3 cancel itself, we have 1. 12 divided by 3 is giving us 4. Also, if 4 cancel itself, we have 1. 12 divided by 4, we have 3. And our equation becomes 4 multiplied by 2x minus 1 minus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 1 equal to 12 times 1 is 12. Now, what we did was to reduce our fraction to become a linear equation. Now, we have to expand the bracket. So we have that 4 times 2x is giving us 8x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Also, minus 3 times 3x is minus 9x. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, equal to 12. Now at this point, we can collect like terms. So our equation becomes 8x minus 9x equal to 12 plus 4 minus 3. So 8x minus 9x is giving us minus x equal to 12 plus 4 is giving us 16. 16 minus 3 is giving us 13. So therefore, our equation becomes x equal to negative 13. D says that 2x plus 5 divided by x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 3. Now at this point, what we have to do is to cross multiply. So 2x will multiply x, and also 2x plus 5 will multiply x minus 3. So we have that 2x plus 5 will multiply by x minus 3 equal to 2x will multiply x. So from here we can open up our bracket. So to open up the bracket, we multiply 2x by x and 2x by minus 3, and again we multiply 5 by x and 5 by minus 3. So if we do that, we have that 2x times s is 2s squared. 2s times minus 3 is minus 6x. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, equal to 2x times s is 2s squared. Now we have 2s squared here, and we have 2s squared here. So we can collect like terms. So we have that this becomes 2s squared minus 2s squared minus 6x plus 5x equal to 15. Because when 15 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 15. So from this point, 2s squared can cancel out 2s squared. Minus 6x plus 5x is giving us negative x equal to 15. So if we multiply this equation by minus 1, we have that minus, we cancel out minus, so x is equal to minus 15. Please, if you know you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more mathematics videos. If there is any step you didn't understand, drop it at the comment section and we attend to it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.